Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Original Craft Oasis. In this tutorial we are going to draw a drink of my YouTube channel. Whether you are discussing mocktail, cocktail or any beverage related topic, a visually appealing drink pack can enhance the viewer experience. First of all, gather your material: paper or digital drawing tablet, drawing pencil or stylus, eraser if drawing on paper, coloring tools, markers, colored pencils or digital painting softwares. Then sketch the outline of the drink pack. You can choose a simple rectangular shape or customize it to match the style of your channel. Add details such as straw, garnishes or branding elements if applicable. Then label each section of the drink pack such as ingredients, instructions and title of your video. Use a clear and legible font that matches your YouTube channel branding. Color and shades. Select vibrant color for the drink pack to make it visually appealing. Use shading techniques to add depth and dimensions to your drawing. Pay attention to light sources and shadow. Review and drawing and make any necessary adjustments. Add highlights or additional details to enhance the realism of the drink pack. If you drew your drink pack on paper, scan it or use a digital camera to capture a high quality image. For digital drawings, save your file in a compatible format for your video editing software. Import the image of your drink pack into your video editing software. Position it on the screen where it complements your voiceover. Consider adding animation or transition to make the drink pack more dynamic. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.